Hi, this video is focused on the P sound.
Hi, this video is focused on the P sound.
P is a voiceless consonant sound.
P is the voiceless consonant sound.
And the B sound is also made in the same place, but with voice.
And the B sound is also made in the same place, but with voice.
P is a plosive, and that means there's a lot of energy behind the sound.
P is a plosive, and that means there's a lot of energy behind the sound.
The P sound is produced by bringing your lips tightly together and releasing a puff of air like this.
The P sound is produced by bringing your lips tightly together and releasing a puff of air like this. P.
A common challenge involves adding an extra vowel sound after the P sound.
A common challenge involves adding an extra vowel sound after the P sound.
So, for example, the word rip becomes rippa, or stop becomes stoppa.
So, for example, the word lip becomes lipper, or stop becomes stopper.
The key here is not to add the extra sound at the end.
The key here is not to add the extra sound at the end.
Just let the voiceless P end the word.
Just let the voiceless P end the word.
Another challenge that can come up is replacing the P sound with the F sound.
Another challenge that could come up is replacing the P sound with the F sound.
So a word like cap sounds like calf.
So a word like calf sounds like calf.
Here's one of my favorite tongue twisters for practicing both the P and the B sound.
Here is one of my favorite tongue twisters for practicing both the P and the B sound.
Here it goes.
Here it goes.
Paper poppy, baby bubble.
Paper poppy, baby bubble.
Okay, you start slow and then you speed it up.
Okay, you start slow and then you speed it up.
So try it along with me.
So try it along with me.
Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble.
Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble. Paper poppy baby bubble.
Hopefully, your lips are warmed up now.
Hopefully, your lips are warmed up now.
And we can try a few words together.
And we can try a few words together.
Pad, fad.
Pad, fad.
Pig, fig.
Pig, fig.
Pit, fit.
Pit, fit.
Leaped, leaped.
Lift, lift.
Sipped, sipped.
Sipped, sift.
Lapping, laughing.
Lapping, laughing.
Leap, leaf.
Lip, lip.
Snip, sniff.
Snip, sniff.
Wipe, wife.
Wipe, wipe.
Try these out as you practice on English Central, and good luck.
Try this out as your practice on English Central and good luck.